What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA. You're watching Black Investors Group, and over here on this channel we make investing easy. We have all different types of niches, anything you want to learn about, from credit to crypto to how to make money online, and even how to boost your credit fast, and even multiple things about the trucking business, how you can save money in the trucking business, and how to make your newly fresh started up trucking business thrive. And all my videos over the channel are fully detailed and will teach you step by step how to start up your trucking business. Over on the Patreon, link in the description, will teach you step by step full tutorials on how to start your online business or how to start making money online. If you have any further questions, you can always reach me through the coaching call link in all of my descriptions. The coaching call link, you can choose between a 10 to either 30-minute one-on-one conversation with me, and I will answer all of your questions to my best ability. But with all that being said, man, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily content on how to make money the easy way. I'm KINGLATTA, this is Black Investors Group, and we out. Woo!